Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector which comes provided with a device in the box. Looks something similar to this, but if you can find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, and if you're using stock case, you don't actually need to take it off. So we do have space in between right here to just pop it out. So you have a little insert area right on the edge. Once you press it in, you'll see that the tray just pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you have space for 2 SIM cards. Well, never mind, just 1 SIM card. The second one is filled out. So plop in your card right here and then insert it back into your device. And the card should start working right away. Now for me, I do have a pin, so I'm going to quickly pop that in and unlock the device. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.